हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। एक बार यहाँ पे खोल देना सर। अच्छा, ये है शायद, है ना? वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। हेलो बेटा, शो मी योर प्रेजेंस दैट यू आर देयर एवरीवन। वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग दर्शन, राजीव, दीक्षा, शंकरन, कोमल, साहू, कीर्ति, मनीषा, सुनील, हर्षित, बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडी स्टाफ, साहू और कविता। वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। So everyone, I am starting today's session, but before starting today's session, I want ready from all of you that you are active and you have revised the concept already discussed in the last class. Hello, beta Prithvi, Manisha. So please show me your presence and show me your activeness by explaining that have you revised your concept discussed up to the last class. I want to utilize your time, each and every second of your class with best utilization. So directly want to come to the concept and questions. Good morning, sir. Illustration number 1 of bill discounting journal entry. Can you please explain again? Yes, beta, Brinda. Active, Harshit. Okay. Hardarshan, Manisha. Very good. Yes. Okay. So, beta, can you please give me question number of this PDF, whatever I have given you? Anyways, still, I want to open study material also, since one of the student is asking, sir, please, illustration number 1. Okay, let's open the study material. Illustration number 1, special transaction. Okay. Illustration number 1, you want to ask. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. 9 crore. I think same is the question in our book also. Wait a minute. Same question in our combined PDF also. Wait a minute. Anyways, instead of searching, I am telling you from here, beta, since you have asked this doubt. Brinda. Okay. Yes. Wait a minute. One of the student was asking, sir, can you please explain illustration number 1, journal entry? I think this is the illustration number 1. And don't worry, beta. I'm gonna start the practice of same question. I was already planned with the same question with you for practicing with you all. Okay, beta. Can you please come to the combined PDF where I have merged all the such a questions, illustrations, and practical questions in a single PDF, so that there may not be any confusion. But don't worry, trust me, the same illustration is there. But that's another thing, that number of question is has been given in another sequence. Okay, beta. Please open the PDF I have already given you. The same PDF is there. That is the question number 10. You can already see that in the starting I have already opened this same question. Okay, beta. This is the same question. Please check, just to make you sure. Please check the same figures and all the things are same. Okay, beta. The only thing is that you have to correct this, that such 2 has been shifted here by mistake, and that is the same question. So 22160. Okay. 22. Wait a minute. PDF is loading. Please check, beta, same illustration there. Sir, the combined PDF is not yet uploaded. Beta, already uploaded. Other students are working from the same. Still, if anyone is not having the PDF, please download the same PDF from the earlier session downloading section. And if still you are not getting, then in the next class I will definitely I will definitely give you PDF. Whether if from not this side, then I will definitely give you a particular email ID from where I can directly mail to you if this will be the situation. Same, sir. Yes, Harshit, beta, I am saying same question in there. Yeah, same PDF is there. Yes, Harshit has confirmed that the same has, sir. Okay. Sudhanshu, sir, I had a doubt while practical question. Can we write working notes in diagrammatic format? Yes, beta. Working notes are the presentation from the bottom of your heart, and the best you present, the best you will get the answer. Okay, beta. For presentation point of view, you must utilize overall skills of presentation. Yes, beta, you can give the presentation diagrammatical format also. Drawing a timeline to calculate the time ratio in consolidation. Okay, beta. Drawing division of amount in chart format. Yes, beta. Yes, yes. Sudhanshu. Unable to find the PDF, get the notes PDF from the previous batch notes, sir. Yes, beta. Good. Okay, beta. Beta, Darshan has confirmed. Please, I request you, previous batch note section is there from where you can find the same PDF. No found PDF in the last lecture. Okay, beta. So again, I am repeating. First of all, let's clear this doubt from where you can get the PDF. If such has not been uploaded up to this time in the downloading section of this batch, then please download the same PDF is there in the downloading section of earlier session. Okay, beta, previous batch session. Please download. And those who have practiced the question at home, definitely they will be having some of the doubts. Anyways, let's start. Beta, first correct this. Please drag this to Mr. 2. You please come here. You were from this one. So the figure is there. That is 22,160. So everyone, can I start? Please give me a start again. Since there were some doubts regarding which I had to discuss. Beta, you please download from the earlier session. Okay. Whether doubt is clear that from where you can get PDF, please clear me. Those who are asking for the PDF so that I can start the class. And please download fast. Yes, yes. Okay, give me a ready. I'm starting. So before starting today's session, let's revise the concept discussed up to the last session. Okay, last class. Let's start. Beta, in the earlier session, I discussed with you all, beta, there are 4 types of questions. Along with the theory, I discussed with you all, there are 4 types of questions. Number 1, income recognition and provisions. Got the PDF? Okay, beta. Got the PDF? Yes, yes, yes. From previous recorded sessions. Yes, beta, Harshit. Thank you. So we have already covered in the last class income recognition questions and also the BR discounted questions. Okay, beta. And we were starting the question practice and we practiced some of the questions. Can I start again? Yes, sir. Can I start the practice of the same questions which I have already discussed in the last class? Can I do more question practice first? Yes, everybody must practice first. So, beta, I will cover your doubt. The person who asked, that is the question number 10, which shall be covered by me. But I want to revise with you all in the sequence manner, in the same sequence in which I discuss with you all the concept and practice also. Okay, beta. So first I will practice with you all income recognition questions. Okay, beta. Balance questions from the combined PDF. Yes, Brinda has confirmed that he has got the PDF from the previous recorded session. Very good, Brinda. One of the person who was asking from where to get PDF. Another person can also get the PDF. Sahu, you can also get. Please download from there. Anyways, let's start. Beta, in the earlier session, we revised that I will practice with you all banking, NBFC and consolidated financial statement during these continued classes. Out of such, we are practicing now banking chapter. And banking chapter is there. What do you mean by banking? We have learned banking is the business where we get the amount at lower cost of interest and lend the amount on higher cost of the interest. Anyways, so government banks and private banks are there. Another chapter will be there, that will be non-banking financial company, because those business which are being done by the private sector in the form of company, those are registered under Companies Act 2013. Those are called non-banking finance company, because banking word has been given for the government sectors. Those have been directly registered with the RBI. Anyways, RBI regulations are for both. Okay, beta. And if you are chartered and you have earned a lot of money and you want to do the same business, then you must register first yourself as a company at 2000 as a company under Company Act 2013, and you must be having definitely after earning 200 lakhs, that is at least 2 crores, which will be definitely in your pocket after being CA, practicing and working. Anyways, there are two types of bank: commercial bank and cooperative banks. Anyways, now after that we move to the PDF sections, that in the first unit there are a lot of theory. Beta, please correct and update such percentage which we shall be discussing during this session. Beta, it is how much? It is 4.5% latest. So from where such percentage changes, I will tell you. And this is 18%. Okay, beta, always see your RTP, revision test paper. Okay. Anyways, these are the theory, and after that we move to the part that types of the question, in which I discuss with you all first income recognition and provision creation concept. That is there are two types of assets. In case of banking, there are two types of assets. The main assets, in case of manufacturing concern, main assets are plant and machinery. In case of trading concern also, there are main thing is that the building where they are storing the goods and selling the goods. But here in case of banking, the main assets are the loans and advances given. That is the main revenue generation assets. Okay, beta. Sir, please can you confirm that when CA intermediate? Beta, I cannot confirm, beta, because it is not my scope of work. I cannot commit. If I could know, then I could definitely tell you, beta. Divya, I don't know, beta. So I cannot communicate anything. Anyways, in this regard. Anyways, but there are two types of assets: performing assets and non-performing assets. So the assets of the bank have been divided into two parts: main assets. Okay, other than fixed assets, these are the main assets, loans and advances. There may be two types of assets: performing assets and non-performing. Okay, beta. Those which are performing means those are paying timely. Those are called performing. Okay, beta. And those which are not paying timely, those are called non-performing. Beta, deposit is the main source, and loan taken, borrowing from other bank is also the main source of fund for bank. Anyways, now there are two types of assets, and accordingly provisions are also there. How we can classify the assets as performing and non-performing? The standard assets is another name of performing assets, which are paying regularly, which are not in default. Anyways, if default is there, then still 90 days are there. 90 days has not been expired. It means after 91st day of default, from 91st day of default, we can say the account is irregular, or you can say non-performing. Those which are watching at YouTube, they can also join for communicating in two way. Okay, they can also give their presence by giving likes and share, etc., etc. Non-performing assets are there from 91st day. Okay, beta, up to the, anyways, another name of this non-performing is also substandard. Up to the next 1 year, from 91st day up to the next 1 year, such will be treated as substandard, and after that such will be called doubtful. So we can say after being substandard for 1 year, and 1 year has expired, then we can say that such becomes doubtful. Okay, beta. So again, the same step is there. Up to the next 1 year, such will be called as doubtful of 1 year, and then doubtful of one to more than one, and up to 3 years, and then more than 3 years. Sir, if there are 7 years for being doubtful, can we still say it as doubtful? Yes. Sir, 20 years. According to the concept, definitely we can We cannot say that such has become bad debts until and unless we cannot say low assets or bad debts until and unless the auditor has declared or RBI has declared. Beta, I don't know. Meena, please ask to staff. Anyways, so beta, see, only and only when RBI declared or auditor declared, sir. So you have cleared that there will be loss assets if auditor had declared or RBI had declared. But please tell us what is the duration. If there is no any default, then can auditor do so? No. If there is any default and the period has not expired more than 1 year, so we can say, can we say that it is a bad debts, or you can say loss assets if 1 year has not expired? Yes, we can say. But for that, it is must that auditor has declared such as loss asset. But I was also practicing. I am also practicing chartered accountant, and I have also done a lot of audit for banks. And there are many reports which I have given that such are loss assets. Okay, beta. Many frauds have been reported by me. I know the practical exposure also. So I am telling you each and everything with the concept, practical example also. Beta, if auditor declares any assets that such is the loss assets, even though the default has not continued more than 1 year, still that assets will be treated as loss assets. Sir, what will be the effect? Beta, only the percentage provisions are there. Okay. Anyways, so we have also learned the percentage provision in case of standard assets. Even though that is the standard, still we create some provision. Beta, in case of agriculture, percentage is less, and restructured means if any person has defaulted and we have rearranged their loan payment schedule, then such are called restructured. Their structure has been redesigned for their payment because those are not able to pay the higher installment. Those have been rescheduled with the lower installments. Anyways, this is the example only. So these are called restructure advance. It means the risk is high. Yes, for those also provision is high. So 2.75% is there. Okay. Next. Yes, beta, definitely. As like bad debts recovered. Yes, beta, there are possibility, Darshan. Another doubt is this, sir, can we say that an asset is substandard assets if it is regular till 1 year, 90 days plus 1 year? But of course, from 91st day, that is substandard. Anyways, now move back to the concept discussion. Beta, if nothing given in the question, what we shall assume? We shall always assume that such is other performing assets. It means if in the question there has been given that some assets is there and that is standard, then we shall always pre-assume that that is other performing assets until unless question doesn't give us the agriculture advances or restructure advances. We shall always calculate 0.40%. Anyways, next, non-performing assets are there. Of course, non-performing category 1 is substandard. If nothing given, then we have to pre-assume that such are secured. Okay, beta, we have to pre-assume such are secured. It means in the question we have to create the provision of 15%. Why we are pre-assuming, beta? Two things are there: assumption and pre-assumption. Assumption is that where we have choice, and pre-assumption is there where we don't have choice in the question. Okay, beta, we have to assume this is predefined situation. Those are called pre-assumption, and these are being discussed here, pre-assumption. If nothing given, then always pre-assume that secured substandard assets are there. Anyways, sir, why? Better think practically. You are chartered, you are about to charter, only the certificate is pending, nothing else. You may think the same. The practical chartered accountants are also thinking in the same way as you are thinking. Think, why bank will give to anyone without security? So first priority is always bank will give loan only to those persons which are giving their security. So beta, that's the reason we always pre-assume that such are secured if nothing has been given. So we have to create the provision in the question examination in the same manner, 15%. Anyways, if question especially say that these are unsecured, only then create provision 25%. Anyways, now doubtful is there, then we doesn't need to check period if there is unsecured. Okay, beta. First, we have to check what the amount is there that can be called as unsecured in case of doubtful. For that, we have to create 100% provision. And if question especially says the unsecured, only then we shall assume that unsecured. Okay, beta. I am highlighting only the pre-assumed part. Until and unless question doesn't say, always we pre-assume that secured assets is there. Okay. So now it totally depends on the periodical interval. Up to 1 year, 25%, one more than one, and up to 3, that is 40%, and more than 3, that is 100%. Don't think I am wasting your time, beta. I know some of the students may think, beta, first we have to revise the concept, only then we have to practice the question. Loads of assets are there, those are 100%. If any one account of a customer is NPA, then for other account, even though he is paying regularly for that loan, still that will be treated as NPA. Sir, what do you mean? Beta, see what I'm trying to say. Beta, Mr. A is having 2 account in bank, and for loan account number 1, loan account number 2. If he is paying regularly for loan account number 2, but he is unable to pay loan account number 1, and he is in the category of NPA for this. So if for this he will be NPA, then even though he is paying regularly for the second loan, still for all the account he will be treated as NPA. Because NPA, non-performing assets, beta, one asset become NPA for even for a single point, then that will be declared an NPA for other point also. Okay. Now, if any loan is partly secured, then for the secured part and unsecured part, you have to create the provision separately. It means, suppose 1 lakh is there, that is doubtful, suppose. Then we have to check what the amount is there that has been unsecured and what the amount is there that has been offered as security. Suppose 60,000 securities available for the debts, for the debtors recovery. Anyways, it means 40,000 is there that can be called as unsecured. So beta, for this we have to create 100% provision, and for this we have to check up to 1 year, more than 1 year, etc., etc. Okay, beta. See, these are the things which we have to take care in the question. Let's start the question practice as we did in the last class. Now, please come to question number. Since we have to practice, so beta, please come to question number. Wait a minute. That is question number 21. Please come to question number 21. And that is page number 7.83. Please come to question number 21. No knowledge without practice. First, we have to practice. From the following information, better think that you are in exam and you are finding the question. Yes. From the following information, find out the amount of provision. Find out the amount of provision. Better, these are the things for which you will get marks. Amount of provision which are required to be made in the profit loss account for the commercial bank as at 31st March 2001. I'm taking this not 2021 as 2001. Anyways, packing credit outstanding from food processor. Beta, someone is there who is engaged in the business of food processor. Anyways, so who is having the outstanding amount of rupees 60 lakh, against which bank holds the security worth rupees 15 lakh. So beta, can I say that for this loan, that has been named as packing credit. Yes, packing credit. For this loan, our amount is there. How much amount is there? Amount is outstanding, that is rupees 60 lakh. So 60 lakh is the assets for bank, for which secured part is there. How much? secured part is there, that is 50. That the 40%, please see, 40% has been covered by ECGC. So can we say out of such secured by ECGC, secured guarantee by ECGC, you know ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, yes, that is the insurance company, just like security of insurance by secured by insurance. So beta, how much amount has been secured? So 40%. Okay. So it means 45 multiplied by 40%, that is 18%. 18%. It means 27 is there, which can go to bad debts, which is totally unsecured. That is, so I cannot say this 45 is unsecured. So unsecured part is there, that is this one. Can you please tell me, everyone? I am waiting for an answer. I am waiting for an answer. Suppose doubtful, this is the doubtful and more than 3 years are there. How much percentage you will take? What the amount of provision will be there for this? In exam, what the amount of provision will be there? Yes, very good, Harshit. So I am waiting for answer from all of you. And those which are watching at YouTube, better they can also give their likes and comments and etc. etc. Please tell me what the amount of provision will be there on such loan. I am still waiting, everyone. No knowledge without practice. First, we have to practice the question. 100% provision. Okay. No, please tell me the final amount of provision on secured and unsecured part after calculating each and everything. And please don't see answer. I have printed wrong answer. I have printed wrong answer. Some of the answer has been printed by me wrong, so that you cannot take the advantage. Please tell me by calculating yourself. But amount, give me an amount, that this is the amount which have to be debited to P&L for creating the provision. I am waiting, beta. Sunil, Sankaran, Rajiv, Harshit, Darshan, Mina, Divya, Kavita, Harshit, Sahu, Komal, Manisha, Prithvi. Tell me, everyone. Kriti, where is your answer? Sudhanshu, Brinda. Tell me, everyone. Chanchal, tell me fast. I am waiting for all of you. Who is not answering? I will definitely take his or her name. Tell me, everyone. Diksha, still I am not able to get your answer. Oh, okay. Diksha has given. Tell me, everyone. Only 2% has answered. Very good, Harshit. Very good, Diksha. Very good, Darshan. Yes. Now see, I told you in the last session, beta, categorize these amount. Total 60 lakh has been divided into 3 parts. Yes. Number 1, totally unsecured. Doubtful is there and unsecured is there. And more than 3 years is there. You know, here you have prepared a chart. Yes, sir. Here you have prepared a chart that if doubtful is there, see, if doubtful is there and unsecured part is there, then we doesn't need to check whether that is more than 1 year, 3 years, etc. etc. Directly we create 100% provision without seeing the duration. Anyways, please see what we do here. Sir, we do here, we calculate the provision directly without categorizing into the period. So multiplied by 100% on this unsecured part, there will be directly provision. Now see, second part is there, that is the secured by government. So there is no risk on this. There is no risk, 0%, nil. And third part, that has been secured by the security which have been offered by the customer. Now see, you have already seen these percentages on the secured part. Now we have to check whether the duration is more than 3 years and up to 1 year, 1 to 3 years. Better see, the duration is in this question that is more than 3 years. So hence we shall prepare here the 100% provision. Sorry, note on 45. On such 15%. 5 और 7 12 42. In this way, we can calculate the correct amount of provision. Sir, in the next question, you will not answer, we shall answer. Okay, then tell me what the amount of provision will be there for such other advances. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Who will tell me answer? What will be the amount? And remember, I have given, okay, I have printed some of the solution intentionally wrong so that you cannot take the advantage of seeing the solution. So I am waiting for an answer, beta, everyone. This is the practice which we have to done. We have to do. I am waiting. There are 3 assets. A, that is the standard. B, that is substandard. C, that is doubtful. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, Sahu beta. Yes, Sunil. That was the early answer. Now tell me about this. Very good, Sunil. Very good, Brinda. Beta, now tell me about this. Very good, Varsa. Yes, now I am waiting for answer. Sir, this is the standard. Yes, standard is there, and then on standard, this table will work. This table should be, remember, sir, if nothing given, then always pre-assume other. It means 4%. Okay, it means 0.4%, 0.40 at the rate of 0.40%. Okay, beta, at the rate of 0.40%. And next, in case of substandard, now we have to check whether it is secured or unsecured. If nothing given, then always pre-assume that is secured. And what the percentage is there? Of course, that is the 15%. Very good, beta, Harshit. Now see, at the rate of 15%. These are the percentage. Okay. Next, for doubtful more than, sorry, up to 1 year. Doubtful up to 1 year, how much? That is a 15, then 25, sorry, 15, sorry, 25, and then 40. See, that is 25 and then 40. But still, that has not crossed third year. But this is here you can do mistake. This is for 3 years. It means more than 3 years has not been given. Okay, beta. So still that will be 40%. Okay. And for this, there will be 100%. And low assets also. Of course, beta, low assets also, that is also 100%. And the amount of provision will be how much? 3 चौक 12, 15 दूनी 30, 15 दूनी 30, 330, 25 नंबर 225, 225, 4 चौक 24, 240, 4 चौक 16, 160, 300 and then 600. 5 और 2 7, 6 और 4 10 और 2 12 और 3 15 और 1 16, 1 और 6 7 और 3 10 और 1 11 और 2 12 और 3 15 और 3 18. 1867. Oh, I have not given mistake in this answer. It means I have printed the correct solution. Okay, there may be mistake in different question. Anyways, now see, answer is correct. Anyways, now I am moving to next problem. That is the problem number 22. Can you please tell me Should I leave this topic now? Are you able to practice in this way? If you want to, if you give permission, only then I can move to next. Anyways, still such question will be practiced by me in the class. This is, please see this question, problem number 23. After that, we shall leave this topic and we shall move to next topic practice. So from the following information, compute the amount of provision to be made in the profit and loss account. Okay, beta. Kriti. Oh, I got it. Yes, sir, we can solve. Okay. Anyways, now see. So, Kriti, have you given there like there? Shaitan? Anyways, from the following information, compute the amount of provision to be made in the profit and loss account. Let's start. So, standard assets is there, and if nothing given, then always we pre-assume that such are secured. Yes, sir. And still, question has already given us the security. If question has given us the security, oh my God. Now we cannot pre-assume. We have to check how much security is there. So only to that extent we can pre-assume that assume that such are secured. It means now we are having two part of such standard assets. Okay, beta. We are having two part of such as standard assets. Okay. One is 6,000 lakhs, that is the secured part, and another is also there that is 1,000, that is what? Unsecured part. Can you please check and can you please tell me how much percentage you will apply for the standard assets? Please tell me. I am discussing with you all only for the points which may create confusion in your mind. Beta, there is no need to check whether any security is there or unsecurity is there if that is standard. That's the thing which I want to communicate with you. Students usually mix the concept of NPA with standard assets. See, this happens in the exam normally with the students and they used to occur the mistake here. Okay, beta? Now, very good answer by each and every person who is answering here. It doesn't mean anything for the standard assets. Okay, beta? Directly the percentage is there, that is at the rate of 0.40%. There's no need to check security for the standard assets. Okay, this may be the cause of mistake. So I am discussing the same thing here. Question may give some confusion by way of such a kind of thing. Anyways, so beta, I am taking the solution here so that we can save the time. Standard assets is there, 7,000 there, and the provision is there 0.40%. Okay, so 28 will be the amount of provision. Now check next. Standard assets, after that substandard is there. So nothing has been given. Is there any security or unsecurity? No, beta. If nothing given, then always we pre-assume that such are secured. Okay, beta. That is 15% will be there. So these are secured and at the rate of 15% will be there. So what the amount of provision will be there for such? Sir, standard assets is there, that is 3,000 and 15% is there, that is the 450 is the amount. Okay, beta. Now check next. Next one thing is also there. That is doubtful. Doubtful, beta. Now check what the amount is there that can be called as secured and unsecured. Beta, everything we have to check here, secured and unsecured. Here 500 is secured and 500 is unsecured. Okay. There are two parts. That is secured and unsecured. For this 500 is secured, it means 500 is unsecured. Now check. Doubtful more than 1 year but less than 3 years. 300 is secured and rest, it means 200 is unsecured. But first we have to check the unsecured part because on that there will be 100% provision unsecured for doubtful. Anyways, now check For doubtful more than 1 year, no security. It means totally 300 in the category of unsecured. Can we do the total? Yes, sir. So 800 is secured and 1000 is unsecured. Can I say in case of 1000 there will be 100% provision? Yes, of course. For this 100% provision will be there. It means 1000 will be directly the provision. There is no need to check whether that is percent more than 1 year, etc., etc. No, sir. Now check. In case of secured, we have to check such belongs to which period. Like in case of doubtful for less than 1 year. For doubtful less than 1 year. See, in case of doubtful less than 1 year. See what the percentage is there. Check everyone. To 1 year, there will be 25%. Can I say here that is 40%, and for more than 100%, but there is no such amount in case of more than 3 years. Yes, on 500 there will be 125 the provision for there will be, so that is thing given in the solution in different way. That's another thing. For doubtful less than 1 year, secured and unsecured. For doubtful more than 1 year but less than 3 years, secured and unsecured. For doubtful, unsecured. Okay, beta? I don't think so there is any confusion. Everyone is answering perfectly. Anyways, don't take it as I was joking that I have given some of the solution printed. Those are wrong. You already know. You already understood the things why I was discussing. So anyways, now I am we have practiced the income recognition question. Now we are practicing for the bills receivable discounted question. Let's revise the concept first, which we discussed up to the last class. In the last class, what we discussed here, that we are discounting. Now we are studying here in the books of bank how such transaction will be recorded, and we learned there that whatever the amount is there, bank will credit to P&L as a part of income, but that income must belong to current year. If in such a discount income, that is the another name of interest earned by bank, if in such amount of income, if any income amount is there that belongs to next period, that should be excluded, like unaccrued income. We have already learned up to the 12th and foundation level. That's another thing, that such unaccrued income has been given another name here, that is rebate on bill discounted. Especially in exam, you are being asked such a type of question, how the amount of rebate on bill discounted will be calculated. We shall be practicing the same illustration which one of the student was asking, illustration number 1, that is the question number 10 in our book still. But first, revise the concept. So beta, in case of bank, how the accounting is done at the date when bill is being purchased by bank. Such are called bill is being purchased by bank. Another name in the books of drawer, it was termed as bear discounted, because Mr. Drawer was discounting the bill. He was paying the interest and getting the amount net of the interest. Okay, beta, that name was given in the books of drawer as a discount. But here in the books of bank, how the entry was being done? Entry was being done purchase has been net amount was being credited to the customer account, net of the interest, and the interest income was being booked at this. Okay, beta, now see, if such income belongs to such current accounting period, then that income was being transferring directly to P&L. Okay, beta. See, in this way, on the maturity date, on the due date, that is the maturity date, bank is coming. Sir, video अटक रहा है. Harshit, beta, please refresh your Wi-Fi. I don't think so. There may be any problem. Okay, yes, I am also able to see that video seriously being stopped again and again. Yes, video अटक रहा है. Yes, sir, please देखना technical team. Anyways, now see, on the maturity date, bank was collecting such bill and crediting the same account, bills purchased and discounted and purchase account. Okay, beta, and the full amount was being collected by bank, and the full amount of such discount, which is the another name of interest, that is being transferred to P&L of the bank. Now we have to check whether such 4,000 is the income which belongs to current year. Only then we can do such entry. Otherwise, we have to create some more thing. We have to remove such unaccrued part of the income. Anyways, now see what we did. We practice a question in this way. Today also we are about to practice in this way. The question is there, that is question number 10. Okay, I am waiting. Varsha, Sunil, Harshit, all of the students are saying that video is lagging and audio is disrupted again and again. Okay, maybe the technical reason could be there, but if you are having any concept or practice which have been skipped by you due to this lagging, then please write immediately. Okay, beta. As well as you get network, immediately write down that, sir, we lost this concept because of video lagging, so that I may repeat that concept immediately after you are getting the network. Anyways, Darshan is asking, now it's correct. Now Darshan is asking, what is the bill dishonored, sir? Okay. In case of bill dishonor, beta, what happens? See, in case of bill dishonor, what happens? See, since one of the student was asking, so I am answering this question. What will happen? Sir, nothing. Very easy. How? We did this entry in case while we are purchasing the bill. Yes, beta. And while we are collecting the entry on the due date, we did this entry. Yes, beta. What we did? Since we have collected by assuming that bill was honored, means bill was collected by bank timely. So we pass this entry and then we transfer our income to P&L. Yes, beta. What will happen if there is dishonor? Nothing, only just one entry will be changed. Can you please tell? Yes, I know you can tell. I want to ask from all of the students, what should I do here if there is any dishonor? Who will be debited and who will be credited? Can you please tell? Yes, sir. So I am waiting that who will tell me this solution. I am waiting, beta. Only one account will get changed. Rest all the entries will be same. Is there anyone who want to try? I am waiting, beta. I am taking today's lecture very slowly because this is the chapter. This is a speed breaker of chapter where usually student doesn't get full confidence. So I do not want to take such a type of chance. I will be teaching very slowly. Second entry, very good, beta. But you have written credit, beta, not credit. Second entry will be changed. Yes. Instead of debiting bank account, bank will debit customer account. See, here, this amount will get changed and this will be debited. Customer account will be there, that will be debited instead of bank. Very easy. His account will be debited. Yes, customer account will be debited. Either drovey has to pay or the customer has to pay. Since he have utilized that amount on the bill discounted date, so he will be debited for the income, that is the discount income, yes, and that discount income is another name of interest, yes, and that has become the bank, income of bank, yes. Rest all the entries will be same except one. Instead of bank account, the customer account will be debited only. Okay, beta? Yes, very good, beta Raji. Very, very good. Good answer. Very good answer. Very good. Very good, Diksha. Very good, Shankaran. Very good, Rahul. Very good, beta Rajiv. Very, very good. Everyone. Okay, so easy. Anyways, now I am moving to the part of the question that has to practice here, because in your exam, such a type of question are being asked. Beta, see, question number 10. Everyone, please read this question number 10 and please drag this 2 with this 2160, that is the 22,160, and those which are not able to find this PDF, beta, those are seeing this illustration, the same illustration there, that is the our book question number 10. Okay, beta, I am using only single PDF. I am closing this study material PDF so that there may not be any confusion. Only one single PDF is being used for the class, where all the questions have been arranged with a resequence. So I think everyone is there who is reading this question. Yes, sir. Now can I start this question practice? Yes, sir. Okay, let's start. So question number 10. Question number 10. The following is an extract from the trial balance of overseas bank. Beta, trial balance has been given. Yes, sir. So easy it is. And in the trial balance, there is always some debit and credit. Both are equal. Yes, sir. The questions has given you one more thing. Beta, it is not full trial balance. It is the extract only, the relevant part, which you need to practice with this topic only. Okay. Now see, bill 12,64,000. I want to tell you one thing. See, beta, please do total. During the year, the bills have been discounted. How much? This is the total. Please do the total. That total will come 12,64,000. Question plus the date on which such bill was discounted. Okay. Anyways, but still, just for a giving you one entry, beta, what bank has done during the year? Please, bank has already did this. Sir, what bank has did? Bank has done bill discounted and just to make you more confident, I am writing this entry. Bank has already done this entry. Bill discounted and purchase account debit. How much amount of bill has been discounted? Sir, 12,64,000 bill has been purchased by bank during this. ओके बेटा, कोई बात नहीं हर्षित, वीडियो अटक रहा है, मैं समझ गया, आपका नेट का इशू होगा, पर अगर आपका कुछ भी पॉइंट छूटे ना, जैसे ही नेटवर्क आए तुरंत लिख देना कि सर नेटवर्क की वजह से नहीं आया था, तो मैं तुरंत आपको रिपीट मार दूंगा, आपका छूटने नहीं दूंगा कुछ, ये पक्का है. एनीवेज, नाउ बैक टू इंग्लिश. बेटा, bill discounted, purchase account debit. 2, beta, customer account was credited. Yes, sir. We have not been given what the amount has been credited to different customers. Anyways, but one thing we are very clear that discount have been received. That is, the discount income has been credited. During these different entries, I am giving you one combined entry of different entries which have been passed on different date, where bill have been purchased for 12,64,000 and the discount have been credited as an income 22,160. Can you please tell me how much amount was credited to the customer's account? Can you please tell me how much amount is there that has been credited to customer account on different dates? Yes, sir. So I'm waiting for your answer, beta. Everyone, I am waiting, beta. I am waiting. 12,64,000 bill is there, and 22,160 is the amount that has been credited to discount income. It means customers were given the credit of amount in their account, different date. But what the amount is there? Can you please tell me? 12,41,840. This is the amount. This is the balance sheet figure. So such entry has been done in the trial balance. Okay, beta. We have been provided this trial balance and also this balance of discount received. Very good, everyone who are answering. Now, question has given one more thing. Remember, this trial balance belongs to 31st March 2001. Question has given us the opening rebate. Wait a minute. I think there is some mistake. Beta, please check. I think there is some mistake. 22,160 is not the figure of discount. That is this one. 1,05,708. 1,05,708. Okay, due to message of video lagging, I got disconnected. Anyways, discount has been credited how much? 1,05,708. Can you please tell me what the amount is there? 1264 minus 1,05,708. So beta, this is the amount 115,892. This is the amount which have been credited to customers account on the different dates. Okay, beta. Harshit, Diksha, and all rest of the students, please confirm me that such and entry is clear to all of you. Beta, question has also given us opening balance of rebate on bill discounted. You know, can we say opening balance of unaccrued income? It means such income was received in the earlier year, but such income was not credited into the earlier year. Okay, beta, income unaccrued balance. Yes, beta, very good. Okay, yes. So beta, see, such income was reduced from the last year because that was the income which have been received in the last year, but that income doesn't belong to last year. Now, such income belongs to current year. Okay. So, such income has to be transferred to current year income. Yes, sir. What was the concept? Sir, concept was there. We discussed in the last class that if any income is there that doesn't belong to current year, the income which belongs to next year, for that, what we did? Sir, we learned the entry, gen entry. And what was the entry, beta? What was the entry? Okay, that was the entry. This one I am writing here on this PDF. We learned that in the last year such entry could have been done, that discount income, beta, this entry was done in the last year end. At the last year end, discount income account debit to rebate unaccrued income, rebate on bills discounted. This was done in the last year. Okay, 22,160 was reduced from the last year discount income. Now is the time to recognize such income because such income belongs to current year. Now, in current year, what we shall do in the current year for such opening balance? Sir, we shall recognize such income. Brinda is saying that sir video बहुत अटक रहा है. Okay Brinda, अगर concept छूटे तो बेटा बता देना. I am moving very slow in the class, don't worry. Now see, in the current year, what we shall do for such 22,160? Sir, such income will be recognized in the current year. Okay, it means you want to say now the entry will be reversed. You will be crediting to the discount income. Yes, sir. Because such income belongs to current year. Yes, sir. Hence, we shall be crediting to the income of current year. And what will be debited? Sir, the rebate on bill discounted, which was credited in the earlier year, will be debited here, so that may close. Rebate on bill discounted account debit 22,160 and to discount income. Beta see, I think I could communicate with you all properly. Beta in the current year, what the entries are there which have been done properly? See, number one, opening entry. Number two, this entry. But sir, question was not asking this. I know, just to make you more confident and more comfortable, that so that you may be able to understand what the situation is. Now we have to see, since we have already credited such discount income in the current year, do you know all the income out of such discount doesn't belong to current year? Means at the current year end also, we have to calculate the rebate on bill discounted. It means those income which belongs to next financial year, that will be the closing rebate on bill discounted for this year. We have already entered opening rebate, that has been recognized as current year income. Yes. Now, second entry is there, which have been done by different date, that such 1,05,000 and 708 income has been credited at discount income. Yes. Now, third entry we have to do again. For that, we are calculating the amount in this question, and that entry will again, that will be what the entry will be there. So that will be discount income will be debited. Discount income will be debited, and two, rebate on bill discounted for the current year end. Rebate on bill discounted will be again credited. But if someone was asking for the journal entry, but especially for journal entry, please let me know that you are clear for this journal entry. Now I am gonna calculate such amount. What the amount will be there, that will be called as the income belongs to next, that is the current year end unaccrued income. Another name is that is rebate on bill discounted at current year end. But I'm gonna calculate now this amount. But first, let me know, please tell me that entry is clear to all of you or not. Now I'm gonna calculate the amount. So I am waiting for answer from all of you, that journal entry is clear to all of you or not, beta. Harshit has already solved the question. Very good, beta. But first thing is there, the accounting income, accounting entries must be clear. I am waiting, beta. The fourth entry will be there for the balance amount of the discount account that will be transferred to P&L. Can I do last entry? Yes, sir. Last entry will be there. Number 4. Number 4. And that will be this one. Remaining amount of discount will be transferred to P&L. Remaining amount. Okay, hello everyone. Beta, net was gone. Don't worry. Now we are back. I hope everybody is now able to see. Beta, listen to me very carefully. The amount is there that has to be transferred to P&L is this one. Now we are calculating the amount which can be excluded, as a rebate on bill discounted. See, we have to check this. See, please take this. Beta, we have to calculate closing rebate on bill discounted. See, beta, how many days are there? Yes, sir, we can see. Okay, now I was waiting for your answer. Anyways, now beta, see how many amount is there. Beta, I am now skipping the presentation. Should I solve with the presentation? Okay, let's leave the presentation. I am telling you this thing. Beta, year ending is 31st March 2001. And we have to check. We have to check the duration of the bills which belongs to the period after 31st March 2001. Beta, you know 31st March 2001 is our year ending date. Yes, sir. Can you please tell me after 31st March 2001 how many days are there that will be up to June 5 for first bill? Sir, from 31st March 2001, we have to calculate the duration up to June 5. Yes, very good. Harshita has given the answer. Anyways, so how many days will be there? Let's calculate. See, in April, there will be 30 days. There will be 30 days. Yes, sir. But please check. There will be 30 days in case of April. Yes. So 30 days will be there. Yes. Now, in case of May, April and then May, there will be how much? 31 days. Yes. 31. And then in case of June, only 5 days are there. So how many days are there which can be called as the days after 31st March 2001 in case of first bill? That is 66 days. So for 60 days, for 66 days, we have to calculate the closing rebate. It means, can we say that 1,40,000 multiplied by 14%? Question has already given us the rate of interest, that is the discount rate. 14% multiplied by 66 divided by 365. So what will be the amount for the first bill? Can you please tell me? Yes, sir. 1,40,000 multiplied by 14% multiplied by 66 divided by 365. So easy it is. So can we say 3,544? Yes, sir. Very good, beta. Sunil, very good. Very good, Diksha. Very good, Sahu. Shabash, beta. Now for second bill, you know, this is the level of question of exam. Okay, beta. See, and still if we are saying that banking is tough, no, that is not tough. Anyways, for 4,36,000, how many days are there? April, May, then June 12th. Can we say these are 73 days? Yes, sir. What will the amount? Sir, 4,36,000. Please use calculator. Multiplied by 14% again. Multiplied by 73 days divided by 365. And that will be how much? 12,208. So easy. So easy. Next one. For third bill, how many days are there? Sir, April, May, and then for June, 25. It means 86 days are there. Okay. For which we can say those are unexpired days in the current year. That is the unaccrued income for such days. Yes, sir. So 2,82,000 is there, multiplied by 14% and multiplied by 86 divided by 365, and that will be amounting rupees 9,302. Everyone, for next bill, April, May, June 30, and then July 6. So can I say that is 97 days? Yes, sir. Can I say 4,06,000 multiplied by 14% multiplied by 97 divided by 365? And what is the amount for such? That is also very, very easy. 4,06,000 multiplied by 14%, 97 divided by 365. That is 15,105. Can you please tell me the total? So easy. 15,105 plus 9,302 plus 12,208 plus 3,544. Who was the okay? This is what? This is the closing rebate. I think in last there is some mistake. Again checking. 406 multiplied by, okay, see, it is 16%. Okay, it is 16%, not 14%. Okay, so the amount will be changed. 16% multiplied by 16% multiplied by 97 divided by 365. That is 17,263 plus 9,302 plus 12,208 plus 3,544. That is how much amount is that can be called as the closing rebate? That is 42,317. So beta, can we do this and can we fill this amount to such entry? Yes, sir. This is the amount. 42,317 is the income part that doesn't belong to current year. सर जब कॉन्सेप्ट इजीली समझ आ जाए तो बैंकिंग कैसे हार्ड रहेगी? थैंक 2317. So easy it is. Now, can you please tell me what the question was asking from us? Although we have covered all the things, each and everything, which is not being asked by question. So our question was asking only small things. That is, tell us, calculate rebate on bill discounted as at closing date and show the necessary entry. Yes, all the entries are necessary. Okay, beta. Now, last entry is there. That is the income transfer entry. So see, here is the calculation already told by question that 22,160 is opening rebate and current year discount is this one. So become this one. From that you have to reduce the closing rebate, and this is the amount that has to be transferred to P&L. So very, very easy, very, very easy. So this will be the amount that has to be transferred to P&L. Yes. So beta 16%. Okay, beta. I am asking to the student who was asking such doubt in the starting. I think it was Brinda, I think. Beta, please tell me who was the person. Are you clear now? Illustration number 1. That was Brinda. Yes. Brinda, beta, you were asking the doubt for this question. Are you okay? Okay, Brinda is answering. Yes, it means Brinda is clear with this point. Anyways, now beta, it's the time to take break, and you already know the sequence. First, we have to be clear on the each and every point that what the things we are doing. Please remember this index so that you may control this chapter. Otherwise, you may be having the confusion that we are having very lengthy chapter which are having 7 units. Beta, now we shall be moving to next part of the chapter, that is the bills for collection. This will be discussed after the break, bills for collection and acceptance and endorsement. And after that, we shall be discussing this balance sheet and P&L part. Okay, beta, even we shall be solving the one question of P&L also. Don't worry, I am maintaining the speed, but I am not able to write all the things. Otherwise, I may not be able to cover all the things because many things are to cover with you all. But the limitation of lectures are there, so we have to manage. Don't worry, nothing will be left. So let's meet after the break. Can you please give me a favor? whatever the feedback you are having about the class, please post your feedback. I will be seeing your feedback during the break. Okay, beta. But feedback must not be here. Feedback must be in the feedback section of the institute. So, beta, let's take a break of 10 minutes. Sir, break. Hello everyone, we are back. Please take these questions in homework, everyone, and show me your presence that you are back. Break is over, and please take these questions in homework. And moving to next topic, that is the bills for collection. I have already mentioned with you all, these are the homework for bills for collection also, because we shall be practicing, and maybe I could forgot to give you homework, so I have written the question that belongs to bills for collection also. So can I start, everyone? I am waiting. So before moving to next topic, I want to discuss with you all one more thing. And what is that, sir? That is one more thing. That is repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate. Some theoretical portion is there that is must for us. Beta see. Yes. What do you mean by MIBOR? Please note it down. MIBOR. Bank rate, repo rate, and reverse repo rate. Beta, these are the some theoretical portion. These must be known to everyone, especially to all of you chartered accountants. Reverse repo rate, so beta see. This is what. Yeah, please see. This is our country. This is our country. Suppose this is what India, and this is foreign country. Foreign country number 1. Another foreign country is also there. Foreign country number 2. Beta, the rate. See, in India, there are many banks. Bank number 1, bank number 2, and bank number 3, etc., etc. Suppose these are the banks. I have prepared graphical presentation only for 2 banks. Many banks are there, okay? And one more thing is also there. In India, public is there. That is the customers of bank. Please understand some basic things. Can I start? Give me a ready, everyone. I am waiting for all of you. Your message that you are active and you are listening properly, because these are very, very important part. After that, we shall be discussing bills for collection and etc., etc., remaining topics. But there must be some theoretical coverage also. Those are the part of the chapter, and those are very, very needy things of this chapter. Can I start, everyone? Definitely, you could have ever learned, listen these topics. What do you mean by repo rate? What do you mean by reverse repo rate? What do you mean by MIBOR? What do you mean by Libor, etc., etc. The father of all the banks are here. Those are called, of course, RBI, which is governing to all the banks in India. Reserve Bank of India. Now listen very carefully. Please put your pen down and understand first. Mibor. Mibor word is being started by Mumbai. So MIBOR. Mibor is representing to the rate in India, at which rate banks give and take loan to each other bank. This is called the rate at which bank give loan and take loan from another banks. Those are called, that rate is called Mibor. That is the name as Mumbai Inter Bank Operating Rate. Bank Operating Rate. The rate at which banks are giving and taking loan in India from each other. That rate is called Mibor rate. Mumbai Interbanking Operating Rate. Bank Operating Rate. Okay, beta? Libor. Now Libor. Now Libor. Now I am writing here Libor. LIBOR. The rate at which foreign countries are dealing with each other. The rate at which foreign countries banks are dealing with each other, these are called Mibor. Okay, sorry, Libor. And the full form is London, of course, Inter Bank Offered Rate. Don't say operating. Offered rate. The rate at which foreign countries bank offered amount to each other. These are called Libor. London Interbank Offered Rate. Okay, beta? Now see. Another word is also there, that is bank rate. That is bank rate. The rate at which loan is given by banks to public. The rate at which loan is given by banks to public. This is called bank rate, at which loan is being offered by bank to public. This is called bank's rate. Okay, beta? Now, another point is also there, that is repo and reverse repo rate. Now, I am going to discuss with you all. First, let me know that up to this, everything is okay. Please tell me, everyone. These are the basic part which you must know for this chapter. Theoretical part is also there. So please let me know that this is clear to all of you or not. Beta, please let me know first. Beta, these are the theoretical part. Okay, beta? Now see. There is a question of reputation that RBI is controlling each and every bank in India. And banking system must not be failed. So sometimes it happens that bank need funds, because most of the time public doesn't come directly up up to this level clear, sir. Okay, beta. Beta, of course, same chapter is there, banking chapter. This is the theory of banking chapter, Sahu. Okay, now see. This is the question of reputation for RBI, that there must not be any failure for the banking system. Hence, if any bank is requiring the amount to pay to the customer, then bank has to pay, otherwise bank will get failure. Yes. So sometimes it happens that bank need money more than deposit. In that case, the amount is borrowed by bank from RBI also. So this is the question of repo. So the rate at which RBI gives loan to banks. These are called the rate, that is called repo rate. Repo rate. You know, RBI also needs sometimes funds from one branch to another branch. Okay, beta. The rate at which loan is being offered by RBI to banks are called repo rate. And can you please explain me what is the reverse repo rate? You already know what I want to say. The reverse repo rate will be the rate at which RBI takes money from banks. RBI borrow money from banks. These are called reverse repo rate. The rate at which RBI borrow money or takes money from banks, that is called reverse repo rate. I think I could tell you the things in proper manner. Beta, please let me know that this theory is clear to all of you or not. I am waiting, beta. I am waiting. Now, after this, I want to move to the topic bills for collection and discount, etc., etc. But sometimes we have to cover theory also, so that 100% topics must be covered in the class. Can I start now? Everyone give me ready that up to this everything is okay? Yes, sir, clear. It is clear, sir. Okay, beta. Now see. So, beta, as I told you that these are the types of question and we have to practice. Yes, sir. Now we are moving to the next part of the practice, that is the bills for collection, acceptance and endorsement. Okay, beta. Now see. And for this, you will be having these questions in your homework, question 14, 15, 16, 26, for this topic only, bills for collection. Okay, beta. Yes, beta. That is reverse repo, beta. Okay, beta. Now see, Varsha. Now, coming to the topic. Beta, see. Bills for collection. Bank also provide the services, as I already discussed in the last class. Bank also provide the services to its customer, that don't worry, customer, you please be safe, stay safe at home. I will be giving you another service that that you will hand over me. To whom? To whom I am saying you will be handing over to me. Who is there? So that is bank. This is what? Bank. And this is what? Sir, drawer. Okay. This is what? Drawer. And this is what? Drovey. This is what? Drovey, on which bill has been drawn. Okay. Now what will happen? And this will happen that such bill will be paid on the maturity day by drovey. Yes. There may be two cases, either held till maturity by Mr. Drover, or that may be discounted. Yes. Discounted part we have already learned. Now, this is not the discounted part. Means, sir, Drover has given, Drover has drawn a bill on drovey. Let's give a name. Mr. A is there, who is Drover, and Mr. B is there, and he is droving. Mr. A has taken acceptance from Mr. B for bills of exchange, that is for rupees 1 lakh. Okay. There may be two or three situations for Mr. A. Either he may wait and held the bill till maturity. On the due date, Mr. A will go to Mr. B, droving, and directly collect his own bill. Okay, beta. Situation number 2, where we have already learned that he may go to bank and discount that their amount, that is the interest part, that is the income for bank, and expense for Mr. A. That is the situation number 2. Now, third situation is also there. Sir, AC chala dena, please. This is the situation where Mr. A has handed over, not discounted, handed over to bank, or you can say bill has been sent to bank for collection, that please bank, keep this my bill. On the due date, please go to Mr. B, that is the drovee, and collect the amount and credit in my account. For that service also I will pay, but that will not be the interest. That will not be the interest because interest cost is heavy. I am not discounting the bill. Mr. A is saying, I am just handing over to you that please on the maturity date, go and collect from Mr. B, because I may forgot to collect. Anyways, on the maturity date, Mr. B will be there. Bank will go to Mr. B and collect the amount on maturity date, that is due date. Bank will collect the amount. Definitely. But for this we will see there is no role for bank except collection. For that, bank will charge. Bank will very nominal charges for such service. Okay, beta. But how bank will record such transaction in the books of bank? In the books of bank, how such transactions are to be recorded? Beta, see, in this, how such transaction will be recorded? See, bank will say that this is my balance sheet. Suppose this is the horizontal balance sheet, although that is not the format. Just to make you understood, but I am giving this format. This is the balance sheet for bank. Bank will say this bill of rupees 1 lakh is neither assets for me nor liability for me. Neither I have to pay nor I have to realize. I have to realize only on part of customer. So beta, see, in this case, bank will show both of the side such bill. In the asset side, bills for collection, BFC, bills for collection as an asset, and also he will show bills for collection on the liability side also. Beta, you know bank, how bank will record such bill? Sir, yes, bank will record in this way. Journal entry. Bank will record bills for collection. Debit what comes in, debit what comes in. Bills for collection, bracket में, in the bracket, that is assets, account debit, rupees 1 lakh. And 2, what the account must be credited? Again the same account. Bills for collection, liability, account credit, that is rupees 1 lakh. Beta, see, please check how easy it is. Only such entry will be there, so that there may be both of the recording, either both the side, assets and liability. Please tell me, I am waiting, beta. Please let me know everything is clear up to this or not. I am waiting, beta. Who will tell me? Now such will be shown on the both of the sides. Sir, what will happen? Means, sir, what will happen If such has been collected, okay, just give a heading. This is the journal entry number 1. Now, journal entry number 2 and journal entry number 3 also. There may be either of such entry, either 2 or 3. Either there will be collection or there will be dishonor. It means we can say either there will be owner or dishonor. See, suppose there is owner. The bill has been honored. Or suppose bill has been dishonored by drovey. There may be any of case. Yes, you are asking the same. Yeah, beta, I am covering here. Don't worry. In all the cases, whether such has been collected or bank on the due date went to drovey and asked for the collection. Bank has given such service. Either amount may be collected or not, but the bank has given its service, and for that bank will charge. Okay, but now the question is, if amount get collected, then how the transaction will be recorded? But in such case, first of all, reversal will be for such entry. Reversal of such entry, that is bills for collection. Bills for collection. What will be debited? Those who are credited. That is, the liability will be closed. Yes. And two, bills for collection. Assets will also be closed. Bills for collection. Will be closed. And now what we have to do, since the payment has been received, yes, what the entry will be there? Sir, entry will be there, second entry. In such case, in case of owner, we are discussing here. In case of owner, what will happen? We are discussing here. Yes. Another entry will be there. Collection. For collection. That is bank account debit. That is bank account debit to customer. You know, you have received, bank has received money on behalf of customer. If such collection was made, that's another thing. The commission entry will be on different. Okay, beta. Why it will be shown on the both side? Because beta, Brinda, if we are saying that it is receivable, then correspondingly that is also being payable for customer. Okay, beta. So either leave the recording or record both side. Beta, we have to adopt only both side recording, because bank will not leave any entry that these are neither assets nor liability for me, because bank has to maintain the record. Okay, beta. These are like memorandum record. Anyways, okay, Brinda. Prithvi, sir, where the commission amount will be recorded? Beta, that will be recorded separately. The customer will be debited and commission will be credited. Don't worry, that will happen always. Okay, beta. I am not passing the commission entry right now. That will happen always. Customer account will be debited and commission will be credited in each and every case, whether owner or dishonor. Now, please see what will happen if a dishonor is there. Only the reversal entry will be there. Only the reversal entry will be there, because collection was not there. Hence, such entry will be cancelled. Assets and liability will be cancelled. These were the dummy assets and dummy liabilities, because those were not in the ownership of bank. Those were just memorandum record on behalf of customer. We are maintaining some register so that we may be accountable for each and every case. Bills for collection, assets, is there anything which have been collected? No. So there will be no entry for the bank account debit to customer, because the amount has not been collected on behalf of customer. So now another entry I am passing so that you may not get confusion. Beta, number fourth entry I am passing for commission also, because there may be some confusion otherwise. In each and every case, there will be such entry for commission. for commission. Commission will always be receivable from customer because service has been given for collection. So customer account will be debited always. Customer account will be debited always to corresponding income, that is the commission income. Remember, commission income will always be credited. It totally depends on the terms, what the charges bank is asking for commission or commission oblique charges, whatever the name may be. Okay, beta, suppose 100 rupees is charged. Okay, so customer will be debited always for such 100 amount, whether collection has been done or not. I am taking just figure, just example. Don't say that it is always 100. Okay, beta. Now see, can I move to practice of question? Yes, sir. Come on, sir. Let's discuss the question. Okay, beta. Question number 16. Question number. Okay, let's question number 14. First, do question number 14. Please come to question number 14. First, practice question number 14. That is the small question. After that, we shall move to big question. See. On 1st April 2001, bills for collection was rupees 7 lakh. Stop. Question has given us 7 lakh rupees amount for bills for collection. It means for bank, it is both. For bank, such will be recorded on both sides, assets and liability side. It means the opening balance of assets and liability has been given because last year the balance sheet was closed with these balances. It means in the last year end, at the last year end, in the balance sheet, you will be having in the bank's balance sheet both side balances. For bills for collection on asset side, 7 lakh, correspondingly same amount was there in the liability side. So can we say this is number 1 and this is number 2, assets account and liabilities account? Yes, we are having the opening balance there. So in the case of assets, definitely there could have been debit balance. So we have two balance brought down, that is 7 lakh rupees. So easy it is, so easy. And correspondingly, liability balances are also there. So these are the bills for collection liability account. And the balance was same. So easy. Now question is saying that during this year, bills received for collection, remember these are not the bill discounted. Don't pass the entry bills purchased and discounted. That was in case of discounting. Now the bills have been received for collection. Those are just handover. At this date, for these, again we have to record on the both side, assets and liability side. So can we say entry will be there, bills for collection assets 64 lakh debit to bills for collection liability also. So easy. So I am highlighting here bills for collection assets account debit. If I am writing here bills for collection assets account debit 64.5 lakh to bills for collection liability side 64.5 lakh. Then how will I post? Sir, we shall post in this way. In the assets account, we shall pass two bills for collection bracket liabilities account bills for collection. Please write down properly what have been skipped in the study material solution. Please, bills for collection assets account debit corresponding bills for collection liability also. These are the solution same of study material. Okay, and correspondingly in the liability account, what will you post? Sir, by bills for collection assets. Okay, so easy it is. What will happen? Sir, whatever will happen, collection, either owner or dishonor, we shall remove these entry. We shall cancel always this entry. And if cash has been received, then we shall credit to customer account or cash will be debited. But one thing is sure. One thing is sure, whether collection is there or dishonor is there, entry will be cancelled. Now we have to check what the amount that is there, that is Bills collected 47 lakh. It means again we have to cancel. We have to cancel. Beta, what we have to do? Cancel such assets and liabilities. How will you cancel? Sir, we shall again do the same. Bills for collection, liability will be debited because liability account will be closed by debiting. Yes. Correspondingly, assets will be credited because assets account will be closed by crediting. That they are having the debit balance. Yes. How much amount? That is 47 lakh. Now what happened? Collection or reject or dishonor. So collection. Okay. Then we have to do one more entry. That is cash or bank account debit to customer. Okay. Okay. So easy it is. How easy it is. Sir, we shall be doing the job in the bank because these are having very easy accounting. After being chartered, we shall be practicing or we shall be doing job in the bank. No, beta, no. You are not of such level. You are beyond the level. Don't worry. These are the basic things for you. Now, beta, see, bills collected. Okay, then collected. Then 47 lakhs will be there. That has to be cancelled. Okay, beta. So what entry will be there in the case of bills of collection liability account? Sir, there will be two bills for collection. Please write down in bracket assets. And correspondingly, in the assets account, what will it do? Debit bills for collection, liability account will be debited. So easy. So easy it is. Next one. Sir, bills dishonored. Bete, whatever will happen, you need not to take tension because you are not the reason for the same. Bills dishonored. How bank will record? Again, the bank will cancel. Bank will cancel. So will there be any bank account debit to customer account? No, beta, because cash was not collected. So what will happen in this case? Sir, again, the same entry will be there. What the entry will be there? Bills for collection, liability account debit. 5.5 lakh to bills for collection assets account 5.5. So easy it is. So easy it is. So we have to post the corresponding entries here. See. So bills for collection liability, in the bills for collection liability, you will be crediting the bills for dishonored account. Bracket, in the bracket assets and bills for collection liability account will be debited, corresponding credit to assets account. So easy it is. Is there anything? Question is asking only one thing. Prepare bills for collection assets account and bills for collection liability account. So what will the balance are? So easy it is. That is the remaining amount is the balance 19 and 19 by balance sheet to balance BD. Can I expect answer from all of you? Is this everything clear to all of you or not? I am waiting, beta. I am waiting, beta. Who will be answering me? I am waiting, beta. Brinda, Sunil, Prithvi, Varsha, Kavita, Sankaran, Diksha, Sahu. All are sleeping. Komal, tell me everyone. Harshit, where are you? Sunil, Rajiv, Darshan. Come on, tell me everyone. Rahul, tell me everyone. Fast, Priti. Fast, 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 Kavita. I am waiting for answer from all of you. Who will tell me first? Next one, Divya. Tell me, beta. Manisha. Yes, Sudhanshu. Priti. Tell me first, everyone. Yes, clear. Till so far it is clear. Okay, okay. Closing balance. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, now please see the question. Now please see the question. Question number 15. Bills for collection, acceptance, endorsement. This is the full name. What will be entry if bill discounted and collection? Both the services are taken from bank. Varsha beta, both topic are different. So for bill discounted, we have already learned those type of entries will be passed. Bills purchased and discounted to customer to discount income, rebate on bill discounted, etc., etc. And for bills for collection, for this we shall be recording dummy entry on the both the side, assets and liability. Bills for collection as an assets and bills for collection as liability also. And whatever they will be there, these entries will be cancelled, either collection or rejection. The name will be removed from both the side. Only one entry will be there. If collection is there, the cash account debit, bank account debit to customer, and another last entry, commission account will be created and customer account will be debited for such service. Okay, beta. So very easy. Okay, beta Varsha. Clear, sir. Now let's see. So question number 15 is there. From the following details, prepare for what question will give you marks. Prepare acceptance, endorsement or other obligation as would appear in the general ledger. Okay, beta. On 1st April, acceptance not yet satisfied. First, understand the word acceptance, that is the bills. Bills held for collection. Okay, beta. Now check. Acceptance not yet satisfied. Beta, we have accepted these things. Okay, beta. Now see. But these are not held for collection, sorry. These are different things. These are the bills which have been accepted on behalf of customers. Beta, sometimes bank give guarantee also. Bank give guarantee. Bank accepted the bills on behalf of customer. Banks given acceptance for, or you can say on behalf of customers. See, now see. Let's take an example. Have you ever listen about guarantee, etc.? I am talking about that. See. Listen to me carefully. New page before. Yes. This is the guarantee. Beta, customer is there. Yes. This is what customer. And bank is there. Yes. Bank give guarantee and acceptances on behalf of customer to third party. That is, who is that? That is third party. Bank has given acceptance to such person on behalf of customer. Okay, beta. Like guarantee, acceptance, anything else, that my customer will not make any default with you. Don't worry. I am giving guarantee or acceptance for him. But why bank will give? Of course, bank will keep his balance. Suppose 1 lakh balance bank has kept on hold, that customer will not be able to withdraw. And with this, bank has given acceptance to him that you can give your material to customer, don't worry, okay, of rupees 1 lakh. Now, bank, now such a person, third party, will hand it over the goods to this person, and he will be, Mr. A, that is the customer, will be paying the amount to Mr. B. If there could have been any default, and bank has to pay to Mr. B, then bank will recover from customer A. Okay, beta. But what about the journal entries? What about the journal entries for the acceptance? All of these. Okay, beta. That is the part of this question. Okay, beta. Bank has to maintain how much amount is there that has been given as a guarantee, as an acceptance, etc. How much amount is there that is remaining. Okay, beta. See, so bank is saying in the starting, I was having 30 lakh rupees acceptance which I have given, not yet satisfied. Okay, beta. Out of such 20 lakh were paid off by client. Okay, beta. इसमें से out of such bank has to pay how much that is remaining. So 20 lakh has been out of such 20 lakh has been settled by bank. Yes. And what about that? That has to be paid by bank itself. That is 2,30,000. Okay, beta. Remember. So here we are talking about the contingent liability like a sword hanging on the customer head. भाई जैसे सर पे लटकती हुई तलवार है कस्टमर के सॉरी बैंक के सिर पे कितनी तलवार लटक रही है कि भाई कभी भी वो टपक सकती है अगर कस्टमर ने डिफॉल्ट कर दिया तो इफ कस्टमर डिफॉल्टेड देन व्हाट द अमाउंट वी हैव टू पे out of 20 to 30 20 has been paid by customer, so 230 has been materialized liability for bank. Now bank will recover from customer, but we are preparing here what the acceptance balance is there still lying in the account. So beta see, during the year what bank has done, scrutiny of ledger says that bank has to honor, see, client acceptance, this one bank honored on this date. Okay, it means all these are the amount for which the things have gone from contingency. Things have to be removed from contingency either by debiting or crediting. See, 4270 is the total of this amount. 4270 is the total of this amount that has been settled either by dishonored or honored. Is there anything else which can be called as that is still pending on the bank's head? No, I don't think so. Okay, beta. So please see, you have to do the question in this manner. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Solve this question in homework, and I'm gonna discuss with you all some of the important questions so that you may be able to handle the question. See, problem number 16 is there. Problem number 16 is there where you will be having 3 types of questions, 3 to 4 types of question in a single question. Please discuss this. Please see, following facts have been taken out from the record of Others Bank in respect of. Sir, एक बार please ऐसे चला देना. Please read this question fast, everyone. We shall be covering all the topics in this question for the today's session. Acceptance and etc. etc. सर एक बार इसी चला दीजिए प्लीज. थैंक यू. हाँ, बहुत गर्मी लग रही थी. Yes, everyone. Please see what the question is asking. What the question is asking. See, this is what on 1st April 2001 bills for collection are there. Those are how much? Those are 7 lakh rupees. So can I say this is the opening balance of assets and liability? During the year, another bills were received for collection. Can I say new assets and liabilities? Bills for collection collected. Can I say 47? was cancelled. This was already done. Can I say bill dishonor? That is the same thing will happen in this case. Prepare bill for collection and assets and liability account. Come on, check this. Check this first. This is the balance 47. Sorry, this is the balance of 7 lakh in the starting. In the assets ledger, correspondingly, liability ledger is also there. That is the 7 lakh. Next, during the year, bills were collected. How much? Those are 64 lakh 50,000. Yes. So this will be entered on the both the side. This one and correspondingly this one also. Next one. After that, see. Uh, 47. Okay. 550, 500 were dishonored. This one. And 47 were collected. 47 were collected and 550 were dishonored. Beta, this will be the closing balance for liability and for assets also. Is there any problem? Everyone, I am waiting, beta. Everyone, I am waiting, beta. Please tell me. Tell me first. Okay. Now see, another point is also there. Point number B, where acceptance, endorsement, etc. not yet satisfied means beta opening balance. Okay. Then opening balance is there. Acceptance, endorsement, etc. Obligation account. How much obligation is there? Beta opening balance is there. This one 14 lakh 50,000. Next. During the year, new acceptance given. It means obligation increased. Yes. New contingent liability increased. Yes. For bank. So 44 lakh increased. Yes. Now see. 25 lakh bank honored acceptance of rupees 25 lakh and client paid off 10 lakh. Beta, either client will pay or bank has to pay. It means that amount will be removed from the contingent liability for bank, from the acceptance endorsement account. Those are still pending for the bank. Means those liabilities have been settled for 25 and 10 lakh. It means those have to be removed from such obligation account. Yes, sir. Either bank paid or client paid. 35 lakh has been removed because 35 lakh has been settled either by client or by bank. Means these are not the still pending obligation on bank. Okay. Next one. Client failed to pay. Okay. Client failed to pay and bank has to pay. It means these are now not contingent. Yes. Anything has been happened. It means that has been removed from the contingent liability. Yes, sir. Okay. Now still pending balance is there. That can be called as the pending balance of obligation. That these are 22 lakh 50,000 still balance. I hope everyone is okay now. Please tell me, everyone. I am waiting, beta. Please give me answer that up to this everything is okay. Clear. Now see, question point number 3. Point number C. It is found from the books that loan of rupees 6 lakh was but the loan was outstanding as on 31st March 2002 without any payment recorded in the meantime. Either principal or the interest, but nothing was paid. Nothing was paid. Sir, this is on default. Okay, this is on default. Loan was given on 30th September. Okay, and on 31st March, loan was outstanding rupees 6 lakh and no any interest was there. Even the interest was not paid. And security is there 10,000. shares for 100 is those market value was this one. So can I say 98 multiplied by 10,000? That was the security, 9,80,000. Yes. But due to fluctuation, the security value shares price were now 40. Okay, beta. Now on 31st March 2002, price on the stock exchange was how much? 82. See, there are three dates. Number one date, at the date on which, number one date is this one. At which date loan was given? Loan was given. At that date, security was valued at the rate of rupees 100. That was valued by rupees 100 at the rate of 100. Shares price were there 100. Yes, sir. And another date was also there. That is 31st March 2002. At that date, price of the security was, that is the second date, at which date price of the security was 82. Now, can you please tell me, how would you classify the loan that such are good or bad, standard, substandard, secured, unsecured, etc., etc.? Please tell me. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Please tell me. Tell me, everyone. How will you classify such loan, that whether it is secured or unsecured, or standard or substandard? I am waiting, beta. Beta, see. Loan was given on 30 September, means October, November, December. Beta, if year ending date has been given or not? On 31st March 2002. Okay. Okay. Performing assets and yes, I am asking the same, beta. First of all, in regards to security, beta, I would like to check whether such is secured or not. Beta, on balance sheet date, we have to classify such loan, secured or unsecured. Beta, loan amount is how much? That is 6 lakh. Interest amount is how much? Nothing was paid till this 6-month interest. 10% 60 means 30,000. Interest is still pending. So total amount outstanding is 36 lakh 30,000. So what the security amount is there? Security amount is there. So 10,000 shares are there. Number of shares are 10,000 and the price of the shares are on 31st March. The balance sheet date, that is 82. So I can say 82,0. This is the amount of security. So we can say that such loan is fully secured. So can we say that is secured? Secured. So question was asking only about the secured or unsecured. Very good. So can I ask you, beta? Very good. Prithvi has already answered, but I wanted to ask. Such loan is standard or substandard? Sir, more than 90 days are there. The default has been continued. Although the question is not asking, still if question will ask from us in exam, then we shall answer another point also. That is performing or non-performing. Of course, more than 90 days has happened for the default continuation. So such will be still treated as NPA. Anyways, now coming to the next part. The following balances are extracted from the trial balance, but interest, rebate discounted, etc. has been given. Bills purchase have been given. Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me? Anyways, let's take this in homework. Beta, this is your homework. Okay. Please solve this question in homework. So can I say that we have practiced? Which type of questions we have practiced here, everyone? Sir, we have these type of questions. And we have practiced income recognition questions. We have practiced BR discounted question. We have practiced bills for collection and acceptance questions. Now it's the time. It's the time to close the session. So you already understand the time limitation is there. So we have to practice all these questions in the next class. Beta, I am giving you one more homework. Please read just one thing. Please read just one thing, that you will be having another homework from homework, that is, please read carefully the balance sheet format. The balance sheet format is also there. Please read that carefully. I am giving you all one homework, because we shall be practicing the questions in the next class. Yes, beta. Which part, beta? Problem part of PDF. Which part, beta? Sahu. All the parts are there. Please prepare such chart. Whatever I am giving you, beta. We are practicing now balance sheet part. Balance sheet and P&L of bank. Okay, beta. Please write down this chart so that you may be able to handle the things properly. Instead of using the word notes to accounts, we are using word here schedules. What I am writing here? Schedules. Instead of writing the word notes to accounts as we use in Companies Act 2013, we shall be using the word here schedules. Beta, there are two parts. Number one, balance sheet notes to accounts. Sorry, I would like to say balance sheet schedules, and the numbers are fixed. Another part there, those are notes to accounts. So I would to say schedules. So we have to remember the number. Beta, remember in exam, you usually that question will never be asked in exam balance sheet part. So please be prepared. Currents in these problem, beta, we are having many questions in this PDF. See, balance sheet schedules are there. We are back. It was the network issue. Nothing has left, don't worry. But please make sure that you are there, everyone. Now we are about to close the class, but after this discussion, this is very important discussion. Please give me presence. Please show me your presence. Beta, we are having 1 to 12 numbers of schedules in the balance sheet part, and 13 to 16 those have been assigned to the P&L part. What I'm trying to say, अभी भी अटक रहा है सर, डोंट वरी, मैं धीरे धीरे कराऊंगा. जरा सा डिस्कशन है, बस ये और हो जाए तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में कवर कर पाएंगे पूरे चैप्टर को. ठीक है, मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं चाहता, इसलिए मैं आप इसको थोड़ा डिस्कस करना जरूरी समझता हूं अभी. बेटा, इन द बैलेंस शीट देयर आर 2 साइड्स, नो 3. So 3, yes, beta. One is liability side, another is asset side, and then last one is there, that is Contingent liability. Below the balance sheet items are also there. Okay. Contingent liabilities. Beta, schedule numbers are there fixed for each and everything. Okay. Number 1 to 5 are there. And then 6 to 11 are there in assets. And then 13 number has been assigned for contingent liability. And for P&L, there are two part, of course, income and expenses. After 13, we shall be having 14 and 15 here in the income side. And then, sorry, 13 and 14, sorry. There is no schedule for contingent. I'm sorry. There is no schedule number that has been assigned for contingent. Okay. The 14 and 15 is there. Sorry, 13 and 14. 13 and 14 number is there for income, and 15 and 16 is there for expense. These are the total schedules. Those have been assigned to a particular head. Can I start now? One more thing. Yes, sir, please. I am waiting, beta, everyone. Please give me ready so that I can start the things. I want to discuss with you all. These schedule you will be remembering here. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How easy it is. Sir, how you can say? Beta, see, you will be remembering with me. 1 to 5. Sir, can we learn this? Yes, in 2 minutes you will be able to learn. How, sir? How you can say? See, starting 2 points are for owners. In the balance sheet, you usually find the owner into 2 head. You already know. These are the owners. Share capital, schedule number 1. Okay. 12 is not for content, beta. There is no schedule number for content. Okay, beta. Please skip that. 12. Sorry. Oh, 12 number is there. Yes, sorry. 13 number is for 13 number was not for content. Okay, beta. Share capital. Then another point is also there. That is reserves and surplus. And then 2 more things are there. Those are the source, main source of collection from public. That is main source. Sources. What are the sources, beta? Deposits and borrowings. How easy it is. Bank में borrow na. Bank में borrow from RBI. Bank में borrow from others. Okay, beta. Then number 5th. That is except all these other liabilities and provision. Next, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. My voice is so much breaking. Okay, now it will not be break. I am using now mic very near to me. Don't worry. See, today is the network issue, so please cooperate. If anything is you are lagging, then please write down here. I will repeat. Don't worry. Next, network issue is really disturbing today. I'm also not able to focus, but still, the things must be covered as per the requirement. Okay, beta. Now see, starting 2 points are very liquid for bank, and next 2 are the main assets for bank. Okay, beta. See, starting 2 point are cash and balance with RBI. How easy it is to remember. How easy it is to remember. Next is what? Next is what? Balance with banks, beta, with banks other than RBI. One bank may be having the account balance in the another bank. Okay, beta. Balance with banks and money at call and short notice. That amount can be called at short notice. Okay, beta. And next two are, of course, the main assets of company. Main assets of bank. That is the investment and loans and advances. Investment and then advances. How easy it is. Better, next two are the general thing for each and every business. Those are simple. Fixed assets where will you write fixed assets? Of course, here. Fixed assets. Still the name is still fixed asset. Don't say property, plant and equipment and etc. etc. Fixed assets, whether tangible or intangible. And last one is other assets. Other assets. So can I revise, sir? Yes, sir. In the liability side, starting 2 point are for owners. Next 2 point are for main source of fund. Okay. Starting 2 point are share capital, reserve and surplus. Next 2 point are for main source, that is the deposits and borrowings. And last one is for others, fifth number. And here on the asset side, starting 2 point are for liquid cash with RBI and then money at call and balance with other bank. And next 2 point are for main source of investment or assets, that is the investment and advances, and rest are fixed assets and other assets. And 12 number is there, that is the content liability. Another point is also there, that has not been given any number. Can I write here? Yes, I am writing here with different color so that you may be able to remember that such is not having any schedule. And that is what? Can I write it with different color? Yes. That is bills for collection. Bills for collection. Next one is also there, that profit and loss. Profit and loss schedule. In the starting, main thing is there, that is 13 and then 14. Here 15 and then 16. So easy it is. But 13 is for interest income. I know we are doing something loaded in the today's session. We are feeling discomfortable in the today's session because network is breaking and something is which we have to remember. Other than interest, all other will be treated as other incomes. See. Next is that. What is that? Expenditure beta. Interest, expenses, and then operating expenses. And we have to close the class, sir. I think YouTube पे स्क्रीन छोटी जा रही है. Operating expense, okay. Operating expense, okay, beta. And okay, let's close today's session. Please do homework. Please read the format of balance sheet and P&L from your study material or the PDF I have already given. Okay, we shall be covering the topic in the next class since it was a very, very disturbing network issue today. So we shall be covering the topic in the next class. Don't worry. Okay, bacho. Please give whatever feedback you are having in the class. I am still waiting for those who have not yet given. Very few of the students have given your feedback about the class. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, bacho. Sir, class over कर दी.